big story today because Parliament and the Lok Sabha in particular erupted in chaos as Lok Sabha leader of the opposition Rahul Gandhi during the motion of thanks to the President's address debate quoted or began quoting from former Army Chief Narawane's unpublished memoir. That, according to Rahul Gandhi, the memoir accuses the Modi government of hiding certain facts about the 2020 Ladakh standoff in which, remember, India and China were in a face-to-face combat on the border. BJP leaders slammed the opposition, claiming that Rahul Gandhi was lying, and the speaker did not allow Rahul Gandhi to quote from Narawane's book. As a result, the House was repeatedly adjourned, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh claiming unpublished material cannot be cited in Parliament. The Congress leader insists that the government is silencing him because they have got much to hide on their equation with China. Take a look at all the drama that took place in the Lok Sabha today.
The tanks were within a few hundred meters of Indian positions on the Kailash range.
No, sir. No, sir. No, only started. No. He is not yielding.
यदि प्रकाशित हुई है तब तो आप उसका उल्लेख करिए, नहीं प्रकाशित हुई है तो उल्लेख करने का कोई औचित्य नहीं है।
If anything is wrong, Rajnath Singh ji can reply after his speech, sir. He's quoting the magazine.
Pandemonium in Parliament. Proceedings were adjourned twice as discussion on motion of thanks to the President's address descended into chaos over remarks by Leader of Opposition Rahul Gandhi. The showdown began after BJP MP Tejasvi Surya questioned the Congress party's stand on national security, triggering sharp protests from the opposition benches. Quoting from an article in Caravan magazine based on former Army Chief General M.M. Narawane's unpublished memoir, Rahul Gandhi accused the government of hiding facts on the 2020 Ladakh standoff with China.
This is about when 4 Chinese tanks were entering Indian territory. They were taking a ridge in Doklam, and the Army Chief writes, and I quote from an article that is quoting his book. The tanks were within a few hundred meters of Indian positions on the Kailash range.
No, sir. No, only started. No. He is not yielding. Sir.
The charge drew a sharp response from the Treasury benches. The Leader of Opposition was not allowed to read out the operative bits from the article. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh accused Rahul Gandhi of misleading the House, stressing that unpublished material cannot be quoted in Parliament and that national security cannot be politicized.
क्या वह पुस्तक प्रकाशित हुई है जिसमें यह सब सारी बातें उन्होंने लिखी हैं? यदि प्रकाशित हुई है तब तो आप उसका उल्लेख करिए, नहीं प्रकाशित हुई है तो उल्लेख करने का कोई औचित्य नहीं है। अध्यक्ष महोदय,
General Narawane.
Rahul Gandhi hit back, alleging the government was blocking the book's publication. The Lok Sabha erupted as sloganeering stalled proceedings.
कैलाश रिज में टैंक इनको किसने बताया आया था? किसने बताया? ये लिखा हुआ नहीं पढ़ सकते आप, अध्यक्ष ने ना बोला है। ये 389 को भी तोड़ रहे हैं। हम सदन किस तरह से चलाना चाहते हैं?
The speaker reprimanded Rahul Gandhi, reiterating that only published and verified material is allowed in the House.
सदन में गलत तथ्य और गलत तथ्यों को पेश करना वो ऑथेंटिक बात है। वो नियम प्रक्रिया की बात कर रहे हैं। घबराने की किसी से। मैंने इस विषय पर व्यवस्था दे दी है कि कोई भी पुस्तक, कोई भी अखबार, कोई करेक्शन नहीं है।
Outside Parliament, Rahul Gandhi accused the government of being afraid and not allowing him to speak.
नरवाने जी ने प्रधानमंत्री जी के बारे में, राजनाथ सिंह जी के बारे में अपनी किताब में साफ लिखा है। वो एक आर्टिकल में आया है। मैं आर्टिकल को कोट कर रहा हूं, मुझे बोलने नहीं दे रहे हैं। मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूं, नारावाने जी ने ये किताब लिखी है। वो डरे हुए हैं क्योंकि अगर वो निकला तो नरेंद्र मोदी और राजनाथ सिंह की जो रियलिटी है वो लोगों को पता लग जाएगी कि जब चाइना हमारे सामने खड़ा था, आगे आ रहा था, 56 इंच की छाती को क्या हुआ था उस लाइन में है पूरा।
On record, former Army Chief General M.M. Narwane has repeatedly said Indian forces stood up to the Chinese, impacting their global image.
79 से लेकर 2020 तक लगातार वो अपने जो छोटे पड़ोसी देश हैं उनके साथ ज़ोर ज़बरदस्ती करता आया है, और इस ज़ोर ज़बरदस्ती में उनका बिना कोई नुकसान पहुँचे जो वो करना चाहते हैं वो उन्होंने किया है। जैसे हम कहते हैं बुली, तो नेबरहुड बुली के तौर पर वो करते गए जो उन्हें पहली बार उनको झटका लगा, तो वो झटका 4 का हो या 40 का हो वो इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है।
After the face-off in Parliament on Monday, the government insists national security cannot be politicized. Will the leader of opposition stick to his guns when Lok Sabha convenes remains to be seen. Bureau Report, India Today.